AkitaBox's capital management software features a powerhouse of asset lifecycle, condition, and risk data to more accurately project capital needs and reduce risk. AkitaBox's capital management is reshaping how organizations determine capital budget needs with two major focuses. The first is the reporting dashboard. It's packed with all you need, starting with the state of your assets, the condition of your buildings, suggested upcoming capital action, and estimated renewal costs. Powered by RS Means data from Gordian, combined with the actual condition of your assets your technicians interact with, presents an unmatched view of the data that matters to your capital planners and financial officers. These aren't just static points on a chart. Save current asset conditions as your teams complete work orders for a current view of overall portfolio health. Based on the current condition and severity of failure of an asset, a risk data point is created, allowing you to easily prioritize the highest risk projects while deferring those for assets still in good condition. The second focus is in assemblies. Assemblies are the assets, systems, and materials that make up your buildings, from the foundation to the roofing and everything in between. Some organizations have thousands of assemblies, all with their own quirks and concerns. There's a lot to maintain and track in older buildings. AkitaBox's capital management makes sure you don't get any surprises. Finding the assembly you need is easy. AkitaBox provides all necessary information and a powerful filtering system. You can see and edit the severity of failure, risk, condition, select installation date, and the projected replacement. You can search by uniformat code in the search bar in the top left corner. This brings you directly to the assembly in review and provides you with all of the assembly's necessary details. Within an assembly's profile, you can find the uniformat and description, the life cycle, the building, the risk, severity of failure, and cost line information. Cost lines are the major repair and replacement tasks associated with an assembly. RS Means data provides an estimated cost for that major repair or replacement based on industry averages and your geographic location. The real power of AkitaBox Capital Management is the projected replacement date, which is based on the installation date, condition of the asset, and our unique integration with Gordian's RS Means lifecycle data. Using the condition and risk data within the software, you can adjust this date to match your needs and provide capital planners and budget holders with an accurate picture of facilities needs. You can adjust your organization's building details in the Settings tab to provide an accurate view in your reporting dashboard. This allows you the ability to configure your location, annual renewal budget, estimated replacement values, and mission criticality to prioritize buildings in your portfolio. These settings help feed the reports and cost estimates throughout AkitaBox Capital Management and keep your data clean. Have some unique hardware or system or a type of maintenance that isn't in RS Means? Quickly create custom assemblies and cost lines to accurately represent all of the maintenance and systems in your building. Keep your finance, capital planners, and facility teams on the same page to guarantee the right amount of dollars are flowing where they're needed most. Reduce risk and avoid unexpected breakdowns.